Welcome to another instructional video by Randy's Transmissions. Today we're going to be going over the installation of your 2nd gen Fluidyne transmission cooler with your OEM hard lines. This is going to be everything you're going to receive in your kit, and these are going to be all the tools needed to complete the job. It's going to take you about 2 hours from start to finish to complete this job. And to start off, we're going to start by removing the bumper. It's going to get it out of the way to make for easy installation of this cooler. We're going to start off by removing all your electrical connectors, your fog lights, any accessories you might have attached to your bumper. Go around and start removing all your bracketry that holds your bumper to your frame. And usually it's a good idea to have a second pair of hands to help remove this bumper. Adam's a big guy, he can do it on his own. And you're going to want to set that off to the side in a nice place. We're going to begin to remove the cooler now. You're going to want to take your hose cutting tool. You're going to cut it about this length. You don't want to cut it too short because we are going to have to attach our barbs for our aftermarket cooler to attach right here. Once those are cut and out of the way, you're going to go ahead and start unbolting the OEM cooler from your core support. It's going to take a little bit of work just to wiggle the hoses through the bottom side of this. Just pull straight out. It's not a big deal. Now that we have your old cooler removed, we're going to start prepping your new cooler for install. You're going to want to take these fittings and lubricate the rubber O-rings and screw them in. With 2 wrenches, you're going to want to snug them down tightly. And then we're going to want to install the cooler into your radiator support as such. Once the cooler's tightened down to the support, we're going to begin to start sizing up our hoses to our coolers. And you're going to do that by lubricating the fitting to make it easy to install, marking the rough length you're going to need to cut the hose down, chop the hose, and grab your barb fittings and do the same thing, lubricate them. It always makes it easy for install. Go ahead and attach your OEM hose to your new aftermarket cooler hose, and repeat for your other fitting and hose as well. And once those are attached, make sure you secure your hose clamps down, not too tight, because if you over tighten these, they will create a leak as well. With the cooler installed, we're going to now begin to adjust our fluid level by starting the truck up, placing it in neutral, and adjusting the fluid level to the center of the hash marks. Once that is complete, you're going to want to inspect for any leaks we may have, and go ahead and reinstall the bumper, take for a road test, and always double check your fluid levels. If you have any questions on installing this cooler, feel free to reach out to us at randystransmissions.com, and thank you for joining us on another instructional video.